Well, look who it is.
Hey guys.
It's you, Ladles and Jelly Spoons. Thank you for being here.
Absolutely.
For this really awesome episode of
Masse Art Studios.
I'm Lee.
I'm Jeremy.
And you will see over the next, what will it be, hour and a half, pieces of Tara artistry. Yep. And Garrick, ourselves, Mixed Media Girl, Kathleen, and Sarah Taylor Modern Art, all pouring for your viewing pleasure as part of a little mini collab. And it's the Fluid Art Experience Artist Teachers Collabs.
Yes.
Even better than that what we're actually pouring for you on screen today will be raffled off at the event just for you guys if you attend the Gala Dinner.
Absolutely.
So there are going to be 6 pieces from the 6 artists, the 6 tutors, that are going to be raffled off at the Gala Dinner, and you're seeing them created right here today. So Sarah Taylor's piece will be raffled off. Our piece, you get what I'm saying. So it's going to be really fun. You're going to get to see these pieces created, and then if you are at the Gala Dinner, you might also get your hands on this piece too.
That'd be nice.
Now, what we've decided to do because of the Masse Art Studio is erect ring.
Yes.
But we're going to do this in true collaboration style. We'll tell you a little bit more about that at the table.
Yes.
Should we get them there?
Let's get it started.
Let's do it. Well, hello there, Ladles and Jelly Spoons.
Hey guys.
It's both of us at the table.
Yes, it is.
How fun is this? So we do have a time crunch. This is only going to be a 15-minute episode, as you've already heard. So let's get to this.
Yes.
One thing we do want to tell you is this is going to be a true collaboration on this piece.
It is.
What size is it, sir?
This is a 20 by 20.
Which you have backed and pinned.
Yes.
Jeremy is going to, he suggested us actually doing the rect ring.
Yes.
Because it's, I guess, one of those things that you probably think about whenever you think about Masse Art Studios. So I'm going to layer the cup.
I'm going to pour it out onto the canvas.
I'm going to wreck it.
And I'm going to tilt it out.
Oh my god! So it's a real, real true collab. This is going to be super cute. Now, what are these colours that we've got before us, Show Pony?
This is titanium white.
24 karat gold.
24 karat gold. This is phthalo turquoise.
This is prism violet.
Prism violet. That is the Golden's teal.
This one is dioxazine purple, also by Goldens.
Nice. And that one is the
Arteza Pearl Sapphire.
Sapphire? Okay.
Yeah, it's the dark blue. It's not the glacier, it's the darker
Got
blue.
it. Okay.
Yeah, so it could even be electric blue, if I'm being totally honest.
I think it is electric blue.
I think it is electric blue.
Yeah.
So what we've got is a couple of purples, a couple of greens, a blue, gold, and white.
Nice. That's a great color palette.
I think so too, especially for a rect ring.
Yeah.
Do have a couple of pearls in there, so be careful as we layer them. We've got a flow extender.
We do.
Which is also a lovely blue. All right, let's get to this.
Yeah, let's get to it.
I think I should just layer this cup if that's okay.
Let's layer it.
Would you come and
of course
watch me on the side?
I will.
I have this beautiful cup here which I'm going to use to layer these fabulous colours into. I'm going to layer this as if it were myself pouring this one out. And what I tend to do is go light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. So that's what I'm thinking about as I put these colours into this cup. But I do want a slightly dark centre. So I'm going to start off with the dioxazine dark purple, sir.
Nice.
And I'm going to do a lot of small layers all the way through this so that you get a lot of rings.
Oh, nice.
In this one as you pour it out. So just a very small amount of gold and white there. Let's go in next with the really dark, delicious phthalo. And because it's lighter, I can do this wonderful teal. It's a really nice, like turquoisey green.
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
No, I can separate that with this pearl blue. It's a little darker, I know, but it is still a pearl. So let's put that there. This is flat white. It's not pearl on pearl this time. We haven't got this lovely dark prism violet in here yet. So let's put her in. Next to some dioxazine purple. Let's do another flash of white and gold. Very small amount. Just a tad. We don't want that one taking over at all, you know?
Yeah.
I want you to see these layers, so I am putting white in a lot. But I like it. And let's go back in with the dark dioxazine. I like these paints, they're mixed to a really nice consistency. It's our everything else pouring consistency, which might look a little thinner than normal, but it's only because the studio is so gosh darn hot. Exactly.
Crazy how hot it is.
It's like 100 degrees here in Texas.
Oh,
right now.
easily.
Can I do this? Yeah, no, but I am going to put a little separation.
Yeah, a little
layer.
white layer. I agree.
Just a tad-ski. How is it looking on the side?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you liking the way this is coming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know, we're not always on the same page, but it's nice when we are. I'm going to finish off with some of the dark sizzing.
Very nice, very nice.
Let's get a dark ring on the outside. That's your cup, sir.
Thank you.
Would you have done something similar?
Yes.
Okay. Now your turn to ring it out.
All right, you guys, here's my amazing cup that Lee has poured for us.
I love this like real true collaboration.
I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my little circles here.
Your ring pour, you mean?
My ring pour,
Let's
yeah.
do it.
That was a good one.
Oh, we swapped over again. It's like musical chairs here in the studio. I really love this ring.
I do too.
There's some really pretty pieces, but I do see some like, you know, very big, thick bands of colour. So we are going to wreck this one. We said we were going to, and I think it's still the right thing to do.
Yep.
Do you agree?
I agree.
Are you happy for me just to do my normal wreck?
You go ahead.
I see him a little scared. I see his little face. He's not quite sure. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to wreck this one as I would do normally.
Okay.
Living on the highway, taking every turn. I've been on the road since I was 5. Sitting by my father.
Very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm going to put a flow extender around this one for you so that you can then tilt around.
Nice.
I've been counting shadows to the beat of the radio. I feel like a baby when I sleep. And then you...
All right, everyone, you know what time it is.
What time is it?
It is tilting time.
It's wrecked ring pour collaboration tilting time.
Yes.
Let's do it, Show Pony. Now, can I just say no pressure, but if you wreck this and if you mess this up, it's now all your fault. So, just leaving that thought with you there as you tilt this one out.
Thank you, no pressure.
Let's tilt this one out.
Maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Every single coffee, every single break, every single moment I'm awake. Wanna play it open, wanna play it right. Don't want another storm to ride. I've been counting headlights to the beat of the radio. I feel like I wanna go to sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till...
All right, guys.
Show Pony, what a wonderful job you just did.
This is stunning. I'm loving everything about this.
I think it's really, really successfully beautiful.
It is.
For me, I can just see all the colours here represented. I think the rec really enhanced it, didn't take away from it.
Yeah, and the gold didn't take over.
No, a lot of the gold did get tipped off, but I see the white and gold in the centre,
Yeah.
which always make a rec green for me look like a beautiful rose.
Yeah.
So we hope that you like this one. Let's torch this one off, scrape the edges, and set it down on the floor to dry.
Absolutely, let's do it.
We'll see you in a minute.
All right, guys.
So there you have it, folks.
There you have it.
Show pony.
Yes.
Tell me about that rec ring.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was amazing. The way that you layered the cup, the way that it poured into the canvas, and with the ring pour, the way that you wrecked it. I mean, everything just lined up perfectly.
It was a little crazy how
Yeah.
cool it came out. You know, we didn't really know how this was going to work with us both working so closely on the one technique.
Yeah.
Because I don't think we've ever really done it like that before.
No.
It was kind of like musical chairs as we were kind of swapping over.
Yeah.
But I think it played to our strengths because I really love the way that you actually pour a ring, and I
Yeah.
really love the way you tilt.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was really pretty. We have just the right amount of time now for this piece to dry, to cure, and to be resined.
Yes.
Which it will be in head at a time of the Fluid Art Experience that's on the 21st to the 23rd of July. If you haven't booked your tickets already, they are running out. There is one artist that's almost 100% capacity across
Yeah.
all the days.
Yeah.
And then there are other artists that are almost full capacity in certain classes. The meet and greet has already sold out.
Yeah.
So please go online, book those tickets. Do not leave it too late or you may be disappointed.
Yeah.
And as of the 28th of June, the early booking rate for the hotel will also expire. Let's get them in, guys. You've been warned. All right, so you've still got 2 more people to watch after us. So please go check them out. I'll put the actual schedule up right here. In case you missed any, you can go back and check them out. And we will be back here on Friday.
Yep.
For either Friday or Sunday for another fun pour. So yeah, come back and see us, and we'll see you guys very soon.
Yes.
Thank you to all the other artists for doing such wonderful pieces and being so generous in giving them away too.
Okay.
You can wave now.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. We'll see you soon.